So guys, let's understand the difference between chemical and physical change. So let's start off with an example. So here I have taken an example of a pen and a pencil. And pen. So here we will have to see what they are composed of. Here pencil is composed of wood, and here the pen is composed of, let's suppose, plastic. But if we move to the three states of matter, the three physical states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas, ice, water, and water vapor. Here only this state changes, not their composition, and their composition is water. So here water is the substance. The change in which only the state changes, not their composition, is called physical change. Let's have a look to the example of combustion of a wood. What happens when a wood burns? So a wood consists of a substance called cellulose. So it is the cellulose that burns. It's not the wood. So it is a type of chemical change. Here, when the cellulose burns, its composition changes. It turns into a new substance and evaporizes. When cellulose burns, carbon dioxide is released, and it combines with oxygen to form two new substances. One of them is water vapor. Here, cooking is also a type of chemical change, because here the unwanted substance get burned. Digestion is also a type of chemical change, because important nutrients get absorbed. Growth is also a type of chemical change, because as we grow, our metabolism also changes. It affects our metabolism too. The change in which their compositions remains the same is called physical change. So guys, I hope all you have understood the difference between a physical and chemical change. Bye bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and give me a comment in my comment section about all your doubt.